Friends, let's check the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. Now, this chart that I am going to analyze is as of market close on Wednesday, 4th of January 2023. Now, in my last two videos, I said that I don't expect a major sell-off and I broadly expect Nifty to trade in the range of 17,800 to 18,400. Now, if you see on this chart, Nifty has roughly tested this 17,800 zone twice in the last week of December. It held that support and it bounced, and last few trading sessions Nifty has been finding resistance around 18,250. Now in today's session Nifty has made a large red candle on the daily chart, and most importantly we have also broken the trend line support. I told you that this is an important trend line support, and this trend line I have drawn connecting the June lows with the September lows. And Nifty had already broken this trend line support in the last week of December, but then it again managed to close above this trend line. It was struggling to hold this trend line, but somehow it managed to do that in the last week of December. And in today's session, it has very decisively broken below this trend line support. Now, as I have been repeating that, given the fact that we have quarterly results that will be released shortly by several companies in the month of January and the budget that comes up in February, a major sell-off is probably unlikely. So I expect Nifty to be range bound, and probably 17,800 to 18,400 remains the range. Now, another thing that is probably concerning for the bulls is that the S&P 500 is also now showing weakness. Now, our markets have outperformed the US markets by a very wide margin, and if we are to give back all this outperformance, we probably will fall a lot. The 200-day moving average that you can see on this chart is currently placed around 17,250 levels, which is still about 800 points from here. But then if the US markets are trading below their 200-day moving average, we probably will catch up sooner or later. This is my hunch actually. Now for the moment, Nifty, as I said, is range bound. We'll take it day by day. Now some major components of Nifty like Reliance over here. Now this is also showing weakness. The private sector banks. Now these have actually held up for a considerable amount of time, but probably now they might just be sideways or they might even go lower. A lot of index heavyweights, okay, like IT stocks, Infosys, for example, they actually are again starting to underperform. Now, given the fact that we have outperformed the US markets by such a wide margin, it probably is time that we will give back at least some of this outperformance. Let's check the Bank Nifty chart as of close today. Now, Bank Nifty has been struggling around the 43,500 zone over the last few sessions, as you see over here. Today also we made a high of around 43,500 odd and reversed from there. Now, Bank Nifty is probably going to either drift sideways or move lower. Now, 42,500 odd is a good support for Bank Nifty. 43,500 is acting as a very strong resistance for Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty heavyweights like HDFC Bank. Now, this is also again showing weakness. Kotak Bank actually never participated in a big way over the last few weeks. In fact, it is the weakest amongst the Bank Nifty heavyweights. Axis Bank today made a new lifetime high. ICICI Bank struggling around that 900 odd mark now. SBI again displaying some weakness. Between Nifty and Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty index is still relatively outperforming Nifty. Now we have to really keep a very close watch on Bank Nifty because this index is very volatile and it actually gives very wild and large moves many times. So as of now, I again think that even Bank Nifty is range bound, probably 42,500 on the lower side, 43,500 on the upper side. This is the 1,000-point range roughly in which Bank Nifty is also stuck. The real concerning part for Bank Nifty for bulls will be once we actually close below 41,500, which is still some time away. So friends, this is my analysis of the chart for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. As always, I could be wrong. So please manage your risk very well and consult your own financial advisor before you take any trades. Thank you and good luck.